May teaser na ako sino yung mga tatlong filmmakers na makakatrabaho. Sina Direk Irene, Direk Ruel, and Direk Mick Miguelred. So dun sa tatlo, can you make, ano lang yung you-look forward mo with collaborating with them?
Lahat, because each one has a different genre. Which is something that I'm super excited and inspired about. So, yeah, I'm so excited to magpapahinga lang ako ng 1 month and then let's go. Let's do this.
But individually ba meron kang you look forward with the conversation or collaborating with them individually?
Yeah, of course with Direk Ruel Bayani kasi last work namin is No Other Woman pa. So, ang ganda ng kanyang konsepto. I don't know if I'm allowed to say who's writing the script, pero ang ganda din na magsusulat, ang manunulat. But it's a very Direk Ruel Bayani concept. So, nakaka-excite siya. It's not super camp, but it's syempre may touch pa rin ng very konti. And with Direk Mick naman, you know, I haven't done a psychothriller in a while, and when his script fell into my lap, sabi ko talaga, ay, tagal ko nang hindi ginagawa to, so game, let's go out of my comfort zone and let's do this. And with Direk Irene naman, pinag-uusapan pa lang namin, ano next natin gagawin? So, kasama ko siya kagabi actually, so we're discussing kung anong kayang genre naman gagawin.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Ann.
Hi!
So recently, di ba, you've been into an international events, fashion week, and entertainment events, and you meet some Hollywood stars, Korean stars. Can you share some elbow moments with them? Encounter na hindi mo makakalimutan?
It's always the conversations that you have with them before and after you're actually working. You know, you're always, for someone, especially like the actresses I got to interview for Disney, it was just like, they're also, you just realize they're just like one of us. Like, ipagchikahan lang sila. They appreciate na when you converse with them na parang normal. That's one thing I noticed also. Like, if you keep it natural, they like that. So it's just so nice that, you know, they're also very kind. So yeah, it's just having the conversations with them off camera.